Okay, time for oil change time. GTX, got that from CT. Okay, there's the good book, the book of life. That's what they got. I see there, Psalm 87. I better read that. Okay, Psalm 86 then. Bow down your ear, O Lord, hear me, for I am poor and needy. Preserve my life, for I am holy. You are my God. Save your servant who trusts in you. Be merciful to me, O Lord, for I cry out to you all day long. Rejoice the soul of your servant, for to you, O Lord, I lift up my soul. Oh, man. Here's Turtle Mountain. There, I'd like to go kayaking. Better gas mileage in this bike. Yeah, all back to here. Okay, read the Psalms. That'll keep you going. Okay. The good book. Okay, where are we here now? All right. See here. Oh, man, I gotta do an oil change. Hurry up here. Get it. Oil change. Where'd that? Well, where'd I put that? Oh, jeez. Oh, here it is. In my bag here. There, I found it. I got that from Jones. Yeah, he lives in Brandon there. He's like me. Wife ran away. Don't blame her. And, all right. Here we go down here. See? Right there. Now we take that plug out there. Huh. Oh my goodness. Well, that's what we do. We do that, but I'm going to take it for a run, warm it up. I'll warm it up and then change that oil. Well, that should do it then. See, these better saddlebags are good, see? Look at that, eh? I used to sell these. Must have sold 100 sets with the trunk. Sold a fairing too. Windjammer by Vetter, by Craig Vetter out of California. No, nothing from China. That's China or something. This is American made or Canadian made too. So that's what I was selling. And go to hemp oil too. What's it? Rick Simpson. He's just like me. He's been locked up about 100 times, and he's promoting hemp oil. And that's a cure for cancer. Marijuana. Grow marijuana 30 feet high. Yeah, grow it that high. And cure cancer. But they don't want you to have the natural treatment because they want to sell Big Pharma. Zillions of dollars they make, Big Pharma. That's the Goliath of... Yeah, well, oh.